Hello, welcome back to Wordsworth Model Railway. My name's Mike. Today we've got the Bachmann Class 66 hauling the CMX track cleaner around, and it's doing a wonderful job. We just see it here coming into shot. Inside the CMX track cleaner I like to use Goo Gone. Gives a nice fragrant orangey smell, and it certainly gets that gooey stuff off the track tops. Whilst that's running round, bulk of the fleet's actually been taken off the layout, apart from all these locos which I've now got stored down in the engine shed and down towards the goods yard. Okay, we've now run that round a few times on the inner loop. We've now switched her over onto the outside track, and she'll just go round a few times, just cleaning up the rail heads on the outer track. Then all we've got to do is just bring all those locos out of the shed area and the goods yard, and then we'll just run the CMX up and down all those tracks to get those cleaned, and then Wordsworth is good to go again. Here comes the 66 again. That CMX track cleaner, it may be expensive, but it's one really good piece of kit. Any layout of any size needs to have a track cleaner within its fleet somewhere. Whilst the 66 is doing its rounds, I'm going to get underneath the baseboard today, and the new signal box, I'm going to wire that up down here at the north junction number 2. Then I'll jump round to Wordsworth junction and get this signal box wired up. If I get time, I will do the new engine shed, and the LEDs will be controlled. I'll bring you down. There we go. I've got the switch panel off and the wiring harness is fully exposed, and that's where I'll be running all the wires to. Well, here we go. As can be seen, we've got the power connected to the internal LEDs, and we now have a lighted signal box here at Wordsworth. And then here we go, we're around at junction number 2 at North Fangor, and this one's now powered up. Well, here we go. After a couple of days work, finally got the LEDs wired up. Not only the yard lights, but we've installed some LEDs into the scale scene double engine shed. I've got the blinds down just so it's a little bit dark, so we can actually see the yard lights in operation. Playing havoc with the autofocus, I'm afraid. But the signal box looks pretty good now.